what's up, everybody? So this is gonna be a little bit of different calling videos. So normally when I call, I just call like a whole bunch of people, and it's a lot of cold calls. This one's gonna be actually just calling one seller, and then I'm gonna be getting this deal under contract, and then I'm gonna be selling it live to a buyer. So this whole video is gonna be me calling the seller, doing the intro, and then getting it under contract and then selling it to the buyer and making the difference. And then on top of that, I'm also going to sell the buyer another deal. So I'm going to be selling this buyer two deals. So I'll be making, a little bit of money from that. But yeah, this video is going to be doing two deals live, recording it. This isn't, made up. These are real sellers, real buyers, real deals, real houses. So hope you enjoy this video and provide some value of how I close and how I negotiate and everything like that. So, yeah, let's get started. Just had a buyer go to the house on behalf of me. And he told me his purchase price is 155. Um, so I have to get below 155. The seller wants 165. So we'll see if we can get this lower.
Well,
Hey, Chris.
hey,
Hey, this is Alec. How are you?
I'm doing all right. How are you?
Hey, doing well. Hey, appreciate you meeting my partner Amir there today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we were running some numbers, and we wanted to put something together here. So I know when we were, talking the phone and over text, you're saying 165 was the number to get it
Right,
done. And then I told you over text we would want to be closer to like 140.
right.
I mean, I think we would still want to be closer to that, but Amir and I were saying that maybe we can, meet like halfway. Is that something you would be open to doing?
What do you got for me?
We're gonna offer you 150, and then that would be a 30-day close, or sooner if you wanted, and we would take it as is, cash, and it's a
Right.
serious offer, so we'll get this done.
Can we do 155?
I can't do 155. I really can only do 150.
All right, sure. We'll do it.
Okay. I have your email address, Chris with a K dot your last name at gmail.com. Do you want me to send
Yes.
it over to that email address?
Yes, that'd be great.
Okay, cool. It's a simple three-page purchase agreement. It's nothing crazy, just as is sale, purchase price, closing date, buyer pays all the closing costs. I'll send it over. Did you want to jump on another call later today or tomorrow to go over it? Or did you have somebody that's gonna, help you go over it? Or are you good doing it yourself, just so you feel comfortable?
I got a lot going on today.
Okay.
So let's go over it tomorrow afternoon.
Okay.
Let's see here. Let's shoot for about 2 o'clock. Is that okay?
Yeah, that should be fine. Let me put that in my calendar. Yeah, I'll give you a call around 2, and
All right.
we can go over it.
Okay.
All right, cool. Thanks, Chris. Looking forward to working with you on
Sounds
this.
good.
Okay, I'm gonna send it over to
Likewise.
you
Thank you.
tonight too. So if you want to look over it tonight or tomorrow beforehand, feel free to do that as well.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Have a good one.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Okay. So, yeah, my buyer told me he would pay 155, and we're getting it for 150. Okay, now we're gonna call the buyer up. Hey, Amir, how's it going?
What's up, buddy?
Hey, so I just spoke with the seller, and you said you would buy it at 155, right?
With your 5,000.
Okay, so 155, and then giving me 5,000. So basically 155 is your purchase price, right?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, so I got him to verbally agree to 150. So that should work. I'm gonna write up the purchase agreement right now and send it over to him. And then tomorrow at 2 p.m., we're gonna jump on another call and go over it together and then get him to sign it. So tomorrow it should be
Okay.
good.
Sweet. Sounds good, man. Good
Okay, cool.
job.
Yeah, no, appreciate the offer. Um, and then I'm gonna put your title company there as well for the land. You're still at 17 for that.
Yeah, I need to stay at 17, man.
You can't give me 18.
No, I didn't order that survey, Alec. Yeah, I got to order that survey, and yeah, I'm just doing the worst case because I can't split it. And that's like, man, that's at 17, man, I ain't be a great day. I really ain't even spent the time looking at them comps like I need to. But I'm just believing that I can at least break even if I had to, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I would hope you can get it split, but if not, I mean, I think if I closed on it at its price, like I think I would be able to relist it at like 25 and sell it. So, I mean, worst comes to worst, you could always do that as well.
Yeah, well, by the time I list and pay realtors, I won't make no money.
Yeah, I mean,
Sell
do
for
you
25.
do you not have your
That's a strong
license?
company. I got a brokerage, but I don't personally have my license. So the agents out there working for me, I still got to pay them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, let's do that one for 17 too. So I'll send you over both.
Okay.
Yeah, I just been so busy. I haven't even have time to call any developers or anything for that one. That was like my plan, but we'll just get both done here, so it's easy. So I'll send you this one over for 17, and then as soon as
Okay.
he signs the other one, I'll send it over to you for 155.
Okay. Sweet, man.
All right, cool. Thanks, Amir. Appreciate you.
All right. Thank you, man.
All right, see you, brother.
All right. Bye bye.
All right, bye. All right, so got two deals done. What's up, guys? So I just want to add like a wrap up part at the end. So these calls are about a month ago. I was waiting till both deals closed. Both deals closed. I made money on both deals. The buyer performed. He always performs. The sellers performed because we had good rapport and they wanted to sell. So everything worked out in the end. I was editing this. I just had a couple quick notes that I want you to, while watching this, kind of like look at. The first one was on the call with the seller. You'll see that I don't think I was very professional, but I think it was good because like I had kind of rapport. I was like cool, like I was like level headed, and we had like there was like some trust. You know, I wasn't like hello sir. You know, it was a little bit informal, which I think is good. You know, there's like a balance. You don't want to be super informal, like, "Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing today? Like, what's up, bro?" You know what I mean? But like, you don't want to be like, "Hello, sir. Yes, sir." I don't know. That point probably doesn't make sense. But the second point that I really want to talk about the pauses. So you'll see that when I present the offer, there's probably like a 5 second pause where nothing is being said. He's not talking. I'm not talking, and I don't talk until he talks. And if you didn't catch that, then make sure you rewatch that because that pause is super important. And whoever breaks silence loses. So you see, I didn't break silence, and he eventually broke silence and agreed to my price. Or if I broke silence, I would have had to agree to his price or said, "Hey, what do you think?" You know, or it's like a weird like psychological battle, and whoever talks first loses, right? It's the same thing as whoever offers first loses. While I was watching it, I think I really could have stayed firm at 140 and maybe came up to 145 and made an additional 5,000. But I came up to 150. I probably came up a little bit too high. It's fine looking back. You know, the seller made more money. I want the seller to make more money. So I'm not upset. You know, it is what it is. The buyer's happy with the deal still, so I'm not gonna like beat myself up over that. I definitely could have made more, but it's fine. But I think that pause is super important because you could see like what happens in that pause. And yeah, so I mean, I'm not perfect on these calls. You know, I said the number a little bit too quickly. I said the number a little bit too high. I should have stayed at 140. Maybe said 145, met in the middle between 145 and 150. I don't know. You know, looking back, there's so many things to nitpick. And then the second thing that I want to talk about is my relationship with the buyer, where I was just saying my relationship with the seller was like a little bit professional but casual. My relationship with the buyer is super casual, right? Hey, what's up, brother? How's it going? You know, like I'm boys, like we're boys. I never met him in person. Done so many deals that like he knows my deals are good. I know he performs because I've sold him so many deals. and we're friends. You know, he's a younger guy too. I'm obviously a younger guy, so that's the relationship you want to have with your buyers. You know, not every buyer is going to be like that. Some buyers, you know, are more professional, so you want to be more professional. But the relationship you want with your buyers is to be friends with them, right? You know, he's telling me what he's going to do with his other properties. And here he bought 2 properties from me. So, yeah, that's like the reflection. Hope this video provided some value. If you want to see the exact systems I use, check out the description. Dialers, Skiptracing, CRMs, everything I use is down there. Those are also affiliate links. So if you click them, I get paid. I appreciate it. I have nothing to sell you. And this video is sponsored by Kind Skiptracing, KIND Skiptracing. If you haven't checked them out, highly recommend it. It's 3 cents per skip trace, super cheap, 5 times cheaper than the competitors, and it's very good data. So you can get 5 times as much data, same quality data, and you can just do way more deals because you have way more phone numbers. So check out Kind Skiptracing. Check out the description. Use my affiliate link. I really appreciate it because it pays me. If you don't, still check them out, but you might as well use my affiliate. That's like too much plugging. I plugged myself a little bit too much at this point. All right, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching.